All right, boys and girls, we're doing more practice on our number line today. And we have to remember that even though we've been adding and getting bigger, when we subtract, we get smaller. So we need to go backwards on the number line. So 8 minus 2, we start on 8, and we count back 2 hops like this. So 8 minus 2 is going to be 6. 6 minus 3, I start on 6, and I count back 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. 9 minus 7, I start on 9, and I count back 7 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I land on 2. Good. Let's try 8 minus 5. Start on 8, count back 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I stopped on 3. I want you to push pause and try the rest of these problems on your own. And then when you're finished, correct them with mine and make any changes if you got any incorrect. So go ahead and push pause. All right, welcome back, boys and girls. So your answer should be as follows. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 4, 4. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So double check. If you did your very best, give yourself a smiley face at the top of your paper and then turn it to the back. All right, boys and girls, on this one, we have 2 different ways that we can find the answers to these subtraction problems. The first one is when we minus a 1, the answer is just the number before the bigger number. So, for example, 4 minus 1, the number before 4 is 3. We're going to skip 3 minus 2 and come back to it and skip 4 minus 3. So go to this one, which is 6 minus 1. The number before 6 is 5. 8 minus 1, the number before 8 is 7. 2 minus 1, the number before 2 is what? Yeah, it's 1. We're going to skip this one and come back to it. So we're going to go to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, the number before 3 is 2. Skip this one and go to 7 minus 1. The number before 7, 6. 2 minus 1. I remember we just did that one right here. We just know that answer is 1. Skip 8 minus 7 and go to 6 minus 1. The number before 6 is 5. So I want you to push pause and go through the rest of your paper and find all of the minus ones and write the number that comes before. Then push play and check your answers with me. All right, look through your answers and see if you got all of the same ones that I did. Next, we're going to go to the subtraction problems that are neighbors. So when the numbers are neighbors on a number line and they're subtracting from each other, the answer is just 1. So 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 and 5 are neighbors. The answer is 1. So that's really all you have to do to find the answers to the rest of these problems is just look and make sure that they are neighbors on the number line. And if they are, the answer is 1. So go through and finish the rest of your paper. Nice job, boys and girls.